Welcome to the L3 Apex Lounge on the road. I'm Leanne Watt.
And I'm Dr. Jakob Simonson. We're going to be bringing you all sorts of weird and wonderful updates while we're on the road, because we do spend a lot of time traveling around the country and around the world talking to people about performance and about the apex of men's performance.
And we've been on the road, we've been meeting one of our clients who is a business consultant, entrepreneur and restaurateur. And we asked him a couple of things, and one of them was how he felt about Zinc Elite Gold. He's been on the product for about 8 months, no, a year now.
Oh, about a year.
Yeah. He's been, and his weight loss, I actually didn't realise it was this much, 31 kilos.
Yes, I thought it was like 20 something, but it's 31.
So that's great. And the biggest thing with that was he had said he's been able to keep it off, which he hasn't been able to before.
Yeah, in 30 years he reckons he hasn't lost weight or has just been gained the weight and has never been able to shed it and keep it off.
Yes, and he also shared with us one of his top tips for performance, and this is a guy working at the top level of his game.
Tony, tell us a little bit about what you do and what your business does.
Most times all I'm trying to do is get the best out of the people I work with, so help people through some of their problems, and the products, Zinc Elite especially, have helped me immensely to stay calmer under fire, because in this game, especially in the restaurant game, you're often under pressure at all times.
So any tips, Tony, for performance? So whether it's, I know you're a racing driver as well, so you race in motorsport, and in your businesses, high stress levels and very high stress environments. So is there anything you can give us in the way of tips for preparation or what you do to get yourself ready for those events?
Like, I guess the number one is hydration, getting that water. And I find myself, even during the day, you get a bit listless and you just haven't had enough water. Chia Seeds with it helps. I do shot glass of Chia Seeds in the morning, and especially race days, we do them every couple of hours to make sure that we hydrate well. It's still the number one thing. I always find when the energy level I go, oh, that's right, I haven't taken enough water today.
And we've got to walk the talk too. So travelling is quite hot today. We always make sure that we've got water with us, even if we've got our bottles actually today.
Yeah, we did actually.
Grabbing water, because this, if you're not having this, it results in fatigue, it results in irritability, lack of focus, lack of clarity. Your drive drops down. The cortisol levels will increase. The stress levels will increase. That will result in fat tissue on the stomach. And yes, you can counteract all of it with this little thing, and it's not expensive.
Yeah, and I think one of the keys that Tony mentioned earlier on was that it's actually the preparatory part of the day. So it's actually setting yourself up for not getting the fatigue and not being tired later in the day. It's all done at the beginning of the day as well. So just making sure that everybody does something at the beginning of the day to affect the rest of the day.
Absolutely. And in fact, on that note, I'm allowed to share a little bit of a secret. The L3 Apex, we have a suite of products, and so we have some new products that are going to be coming your way very soon. One of them is actually a product to help start the day. So it's looking at that breakfast time, because it is so important to set you up for success. It's so important that we want to create something that's going to help you do the job easily and effectively. So watch this space.
Yeah, it's specifically targeted, as you say, Leanne, for that morning, which is also a very strange thing for men, because a lot of men just get up, do a quick man shower, which is just and off they go, and they often forget to eat breakfast or to have any type of substantial breakfast or intake in the morning, and that is critical. So this product will actually start countering that.
We want to make it easier for you so you can go and be effective in the things that you want to do.
Right, that's it from us today. Join us again on the L3 Apex Lounge on the road.
Cheers.
See ya.